John Mayer, a singer, once said, "How come everything I need always comes with batteries?" This says a lot about our lives today, as we are surrounded by technology. And a battery is a major component in nearly every technology, from smartphones, laptops, tablets, earphones, smartwatches. It's everywhere. So, what type of batteries are used today? What is the most common type of battery? Well, the most common type of batteries are the lithium ion batteries, which are available in all the devices I named earlier. The lithium ion battery is composed of a cathode and anode, two poles, a separator, and an electrolyte, which is a liquid solution. Electrons move between the cathode and the anode through the electrolyte liquid, which is what causes the recharging of the device. So, what are the limitations of the batteries we use today? Well, we can name a number of them. One of which is that these lithium ion batteries are sensitive to high temperatures and can easily cause a reaction, a chemical reaction, which is immediately a safety hazard. Secondly, they can burst into flames easily, just like what happened in the year 2017 with the Samsung Galaxy Note 7 smartphones, where it was so dangerous that anyone with that phone wasn't allowed to fly. That's how big it got, because of a lithium ion battery. Thirdly, lithium ion batteries don't age well at all. For instance, they can be recharged around 500 to 1,000 times before the capacity just falls. To put that into perspective, if it's a battery in a phone, that phone can be charged for about 2 years before the battery starts falling apart, which isn't really great at all. So, what's the solution? Well, the solution is right around the corner. The solution is the solid state or the lithium metal batteries. What are the lithium metal batteries? The lithium metal batteries work in the same mechanism as the lithium ion batteries, where there is a cathode and an anode, and the electrons move between them, except that the electrolyte in the solid state battery isn't a liquid but a solid. And it's currently being researched by Samsung and a startup called QuantumScape, which actually started developing some samples, and it's expected to be mass produced by the year 2025. So, why is this big? Why is this a big deal? Firstly, the possibilities are very high, and the future looks bright with solid state batteries. Firstly, it has a higher energy density. According to early test results, the battery could boost the range of an EV by 80% and can be rapidly recharged. Secondly, it's safer than lithium ion batteries and less likely to explode, which solves a major issue in lithium ion batteries we use today. Thirdly, the battery occupies less volume, which will allow the tech to be used like never before and can demolish any heating and cooling obstacles along the way. Lastly, faster charging, since the electrons move through a solid instead of a liquid, which will in turn make the devices we use a lot safer, more efficient, easier to use, and more practical in almost every way. That's why we are excited for this scientific breakthrough. Thank you.